Hello, my name is Dane Tyghe. I'm a professional driving instructor, and today I've teamed up with Carzone to share with you some tips and tricks to help get you on the road, be a better driver, and ultimately pass that test. Today I'm joined by Whelan.
Lads, I have my second driving test today, and I've told no one.
I'm talking to your great-grandfather.
To pass my test?
Yeah.
Good. So, we failed.
Lauren is also a learner driver, and I'm going to be spending some time with her today, offering up some tips and advice so that she can achieve her driving goals. So let's take a spin. So Lauren, you're very welcome. How are you today?
A bit nervous.
Yeah,
a little bit nervous.
That's okay, that's natural, because when you're nervous it shows that you're taking whatever it is seriously. And
there you go.
It can help your concentration as well. Have your report sheet from the previous test there, yeah?
I do.
Great. Do you mind if I have a look at it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Give me all your feedback.
I noticed you got one on hand signals there,
Yes.
okay?
I definitely got one wrong. One of the Garda hand signals.
I notice here you have 2 marks on position on the straight.
Yes. I was given too far from the left, so I was too far on the right hand side. I'm a bit confused because my mum freaks out in the car. She's like, "You're too close to the left, you're going to hit the curb."
Position turning left then, there's actually 3 on that there, which is an interesting little cluster.
Not a clue.
Clutch then, so...
I actually wasn't even given any feedback on my clutch, so I don't really know where that came from. I'd say probably sometimes I coast a little bit in between third and second gear.
Some learners just kind of leave their foot resting on the clutch.
I make a point of going, like every time.
But it's just something that does happen from time to time, so that's something to watch out for. Does she?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm calling you out, ma'am.
Then we have road markings here.
So when she was explaining to me about my positioning, she was like, when there's no road markings on the road, that's when my positioning was the worst.
And then the final 2 then is on the reverse, where she marked you for competency and on observation.
Well, I hit the curb, so I think that was what went wrong.
An observation as well then, that's usually from not looking behind over the shoulders, so...
I think so. I definitely did look around the back and everything, but probably just not as much as I should have.
Yeah, so thanks for sharing that feedback. That's good to know, and I think that will help other learners as well to prevent similar mistakes happening. So it's time to start her up then, Lauren. Do you want to just start her up? I gave you the key there, didn't I?
You did.
Great. So just to go through some of the controls, just so you know, where's the hazard lights?
Oh Jesus! Am I blind? Oh, I am blind.
That's what that dust.
I'm a little
Did you see
blind.
that? It's a dust, I think.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I blame the dust.
I'll wipe off that. Yeah, I didn't see it.
There you go. So there's the hazard lights.
Yeah.
What about the demisters then? If say the windows get fogged up today, where would demisters be?
There, here.
Great. Yeah. So that's the max. Let's make some noise. Yeah.
She's loud.
Now the wipers, in case it rains, because it is Ireland after all. So any idea where they are? Perfect. Yeah. And then down for off. Yeah. And the more up you go, the faster it goes. Okay. You got your indicators on this side, and the lights are on the far side over there near the key. Okay.
Perfect.
Now time to do a little bit of driving, just to kind of get you used to the car. Okay. Do you want to head off there when you're ready?
Absolutely.
In your own time.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sure, I will. Okay. We'll do it all the blame. Nice indicator, right?
There you
and
go.
Everything. Oh, she's very sensitive, actually.
Yeah, yeah. So you might just have to. There you go. Just have to bring that clutch up a little bit more. Do a turn around when you're ready. Yeah, great.
Oh my God, it's very sensitive.
Yeah, yeah. So when you're accelerating there now, you just have to be nice and gentle with the accelerator. That's it. Lovely. Now, do you want to give her a bit of juice there?
Okay.
And maybe second gear to give you a feel for the gear stick. That's great, lovely. Now, do you want to have a nice little stop here in a straight line, maybe? That's great. And then clutching. There we go.
Go.
How does the brake feel there?
It's very sensitive. It is so like. I don't know. It's a. God, we're rolling.
You would use the handbrake there, but yeah, did you found the brake sensitive there?
I think that my car's so much older. Like mine's only 11, so it's just it needs a good push on it. But I think I'll be okay.
That's great. So Lauren, a part of the driving test is the theory at the start. How does that make you feel?
I'm okay with I didn't get anything wrong. I don't think. I think I'm pretty good.
That's good. What's the rule with the yellow box?
You cannot stop in a yellow box.
That's correct. Is there any exception though as to when you are allowed to stop in it?
There's an unavoidable obstruction.
possibly, I suppose.
Yeah.
But you can, sorry,
If
stop.
you're turning right,
There you go.
sorry, yeah.
That's it.
Silly
So
me.
like at lights or something like that.
Yes.
It is okay to stop in the yellow box
Yes.
if you're turning right. So that's correct. Can you tell me what an amber light means at a set of traffic lights? It's
Proceed with caution. Prepare to stop.
There you go. That's it. Now let's say you're all prepared. Do you stop?
Depending if there's pedestrians. I'm so confused.
That's okay. So a flashing amber light is to do with pedestrians, okay?
Yeah.
So that means you give way to
Yeah.
pedestrians. But I was talking about a solid amber light.
Yeah.
That means that you should,
Be stopping. Yeah.
unless you're too...
Too far over. Too far across the...
Yeah, great. Okay, so it's important to distinguish the difference between the amber light and the flashing amber light.
Okay.
Just gonna
Kind of
give it a pause
half
there.
get the answers there.
You have them, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have the signs then there now.
Oh, great. Fabulous.
So the first sign I'm going to ask you is this one here.
Clear way.
Exactly. No stopping or...
Parking.
Great. What about this sign?
Pedestrianised street.
Lovely. So pedestrianised street during the time shown.
Mm-hmm.
What about this one here?
Not a dual carriageway. What's the 3-1?
What letter of the alphabet is after P?
Q.
There you go. Traffic queues. Is that what you said?
Traffic
Oh,
queues.
yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Queues likely. Okay.
Oh, right.
Possibility of traffic queues.
Okay, right.
Yeah, what about this?
T junction. No. No. Yes. No.
No.
No. Okay. I don't know what it is.
Did you do French at school?
I did, unfortunately.
Oh, okay. Cul-de-sac.
Okay.
Like dead end cul-de-sac. So no through road, okay?
Yes. Yeah.
What about this?
Hospital.
Perfect. And this?
Motorway ends in 500 meters.
Perfect. And what about this?
Exit in 200 meters. Motorway exit in 200 meters.
Great. That's brilliant. Well done.
I know my motorway signs. That's about it.
Now you're very good. So moving off then using the 1, 2, 3 rule.
Okay.
What's 1?
First gear.
Brilliant. What's 2?
Indicators.
That's great.
So I'm
2
going
indicators. And what's 3 then?
3 is 3 mirrors.
That's it. Let's do that then. And
And then my blind
4.
spots.
Brilliant. And then off we go.
Cool.
That's great.
Oh my god.
Great. So come up to a roundabout here then. Let's take the first exit to the left at the roundabout then. The first exit. So again, lots of quick looks in on the approach. See it? And then the last look. Brilliant. And then we would indicate off there then. That's great. And now that we have a good straight road here then, we'll be looking to give it a little bit of juice just to get you going, but we're also conscious of the ramp there as well, so we'll be gently slowing down for that. That's it. Great, about 20 kilometers for a typical ramp like that. About 20 kilometers is an ideal speed. And now let's take a left at the roundabout then, a left this time. That's it, brilliant. And we'll be getting the looks in early and often, won't you? Lots of quick looks. One last look. Yeah, there we go. So when we come into the roundabout then, we're looking for lots of quick looks, and then that one last look then as you're, just at the front wheels kind of go over the line, and that means then that you're kind of you're getting the looks are nice and up to date and nice and fresh in your head then. Let's take the first exit to the left, I think it is here. First left. So that's it, lovely. Now lots of quick looks, and then the last look. That's it, get the looks in. Brilliant, yeah, great. Going to the first left. Brilliant stuff.
Look, I'm grand that there's a lot of roundabouts in Carlow. Have you ever been in Carlow?
Oh, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Staplestown Road, I know it. Yeah, so we're all set then. When you're ready then, let's try reverse around this corner. I'd like you to do it on your own, but just let me know if you have any questions or if you have any concerns throughout this, okay? So, in your own time.
Now I'm panicking. Right. Okay. No, it's fine. Like, we're fine. We're absolutely fine.
Will absolutely be grand.
Yeah.
That's good. Just gonna watch these fellas by.
I think everyone's kind of indicating.
Good stuff.
I can see the curb. That's like an improvement.
Yeah. So
Wait,
you're
maybe I'm alright. Okay, wait, maybe now I'm too close. Maybe I'll do a little one of these. And then
Okay.
a little one of these.
Okay. Now this is the perfect time now for the quarter actually
Yes.
that we talked about actually.
I'm in the first quarter.
Watch that other car. Won't you do it?
We will,
Just because your front may be swinging out, and he's fine. She has actually plenty of room, but it's good to be aware of it. And everything okay there behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, she's.
On my bill.
Yeah. Wave seems to work a treat actually.
Yeah.
Works better for you than it works for me, I tell you.
Yeah. Well, I have my reverse lights on. I should know which way I'm going.
Yeah. So.
I think I'm okay. And now.
And I'm just gonna watch that one, aren't we? He's okay there, is he?
Yeah, he knows I'm right.
There you go.
I'm just doing a lesson. I'm sorry.
Nice.
Am I a professional or
I'll
what?
tell you one thing, you're getting there.
Yeah.
And I know now that is a perfect distance, and I think that's probably far enough. Lovely. So how do you secure the car then? Brilliant. So that is actually a perfect distance there. You're like almost exactly 12 inches, which is what you should be. How do you feel that went?
I feel like I'm a professional.
Well, you're definitely that.
I feel like I could be sitting in your position now.
One day you probably will be, but I think you're going to go on to bigger and better things, Lauren. Trust me on that now, you know.
So, what do you think of my driving?
Very good. You're definitely on the road to success, and you are going to be a full licensed driver in no time at all.
I hope so. Thank you very much for everything.
My
it
pleasure.
was such a help, and I think I will be on the road soon. Thank
Best
you.
wishes and safe travels.
Thank you.